So today we are visiting the Remembrance Day Memorial. It's all made of poppies on the bridge and up on the clock tower. If you walk over the bridge, just zoom out. So look at that day, Ringley Bridge.
This is where I went for when we were going on the school trip.
School trip. There's the other one.
Here.
Soldier each side of the bridge. And if you walk over the bridge, you have an archway made of that sort of purple poppies. I think people have made them out of all sorts. Oh, they've made them out of the bottom of bottles. They've cut the bottles off, bottom of bottles, plastic bottles, and turned them into poppies. And then got these little signs here. Archway, and there's more. There's two soldiers on each side here. They wait in the mud knowing she'll wear a poppy in her hair with pride this Remembrance Sunday. The Poppy Waterfall project, there it is. If you want to have a look. If you want to search it up, look at that, they're made out of bottoms of bottles then, been reused and recycled. And then if you go over the arch, come on, Dennan, there's a soldier at each side of the bench here. And the bridge, look, stand next to him, Dan.
Look, there's a
Yeah. And there's another one, oh, with his dog as well. And there's the clock tower. Remember the fallen. Like and subscribe. Three brothers riding, play together, stay together.